What's up, my power boosters? This is Power Hayward. Got a special package in the mail. I told you I had a special shirt coming this week, so let's see what's inside. Alright. Having a little trouble opening it, but it's coming undone. Woo! Oh, paper flying. Oh, would you look at that? Oh! Oh! Oh, look at that. That is just... wow, that is just cool. Now that is some Back to the Future right there. This is it. This is what I've been waiting for. This is a big one. This is the big one I've been waiting for all my life. This is the shirt. Well, jacket Marty wore in Back to the Future Part 2. You know, the one that says size adjusting, fit.
Let me see. Hold it up all the way up. There you go.
Your jacket is now dry.
Your jacket is now dry.
Detective drying. Your jacket is now dry. This is so cool. So now I have the hat. Well, not this hat, but this is a cool hat too. I have the Back to the Future Part 2 hat, and now I have the shirt. All I need now is the Nikes. And then I could be Marty from the year 2015. But as Doc said, October 21st, 2015. Now, this is probably one of the coolest shirts I own. As you can see, the pockets aren't real, but they are cool. This is really cool. Alright, I'm just gonna pause it for a second.